Howdy y'all, the Fishing Man here, and today I want to show you how to fill in some screw holes. I recently had something that just fell off the wall, and I want to patch it up today, so I want to take this time to show you how I'm going to do it. So just like that, there's the holes. I'm going to show you our tools, we're going to get on to it. And here are our tools. So right now, we got our paintbrush, paint stir, we got a putty stick, we got a screwdriver to open the paint, we got some spackle, a couple different grit sponges, we can sand the wall down. So now let's get to it. Howdy guys, so now I got you to the hole. We're going to apply the spackle. So you take your spackle and your putty knife, put a little bit on there. You just kind of plop it in the hole there. You want to scrape away, just like so. Do that to cover all the areas. Don't even need this much, honestly. And before you do this, make sure you clean the walls. That way you get the best results possible. Go, just like so. Just like so. Then we just let dry. So I'm going to now start painting. I went and took a sample of my paint from my hardware store and got the same color paint as the wall, which is awesome. So now, and it'll be helpful too if you put a couple drop cloths down. That way you don't get paint on your floors or, I mean, just anywhere actually. I mean, if you have anything underneath it, I recommend moving as much stuff out from underneath wherever your painting is, and make sure you wear some clothes that you don't care if they get paint on, because generally painting is a messy task. So right now it's a bit lighter, so as it dries it should become the same color as the wall. So now, you see what it looks like now, and once it's done drying, I'll show you what it looks like then. So now, I'm going to show you the final review. Somewhere in here is what the hole I fixed actually. As you can see, now can't see it anymore. The paint I got was actually really close to the original color. It was just a shade darker, so I actually just ended up painting the whole wall anyway, and you really can't even tell that it's even there. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe to Fishman, and turn on more notifications for content like this and other random things.